Chapter 8, Section 1, Circumference. A circle is the set of all points in a plane that are the same distance from a point called the center. The circumference is the distance around a circle. The diameter is the distance across the circle through its center, and the radius is the distance from the center to any point on the circle. Fill in each box with one of the following items: center, diameter, and radius. Well, here's the center here, this point in the middle. The diameter is the distance across the circle through its center. So this is the diameter here. And the radius is the distance from the center of the circle to its edge. So that is represented here. The diameter d of a circle is twice its radius r. The radius r of a circle is half of its diameter d. So you can see that here, the radius just goes to the center. The diameter is 2 times the radius. You can see that. And the radius is half of the diameter. In example 1, it says the diameter of a circle is 14 inches. Find the radius. So all they had to do here was take the 14-inch diameter and divide it by 2 to find the 7-inch radius. In example 2, it says the radius of a circle is 8 feet. Find the diameter. Well, if the radius is 8 feet, all they have to do to find the diameter is multiply 8 by 2 and get a diameter of 16 feet. In example 1, it says the diameter of a circle is 48 centimeters. Find the radius. Well, diameter is equal to the... find the radius. The radius is equal to the diameter divided by 2. Our diameter is 48. 48 divided by 2 is 24. The radius is 24 centimeters. In example 2, it says the radius of a circle is 9 inches. Find the diameter. Well, we know that diameter is equal to 2 times the radius. And our radius is 9, so 2 times 9 is 18. The diameter is 18 inches. Go ahead and try got it A, B, C, and D, and then resume this video when you're done. It says find the radius or diameter of each circle with the given dimensions. So here we have a diameter of 23 centimeters. The radius is equal to the diameter divided by 2. So if we do 23 divided by 2, we get 11.5. So the radius is 11.5 centimeters. In got it B, it says that the radius is equal to 3 inches. We know that diameter is equal to 2 times the radius. So 2 times 3 is equal to 6. The diameter is 6 inches. Got it C says diameter is equal to 16 yards. So to find the radius, we need to take the diameter and divide it by 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8. The radius is 8 yards. And for got it D, we have a radius of 5.2. Well, the diameter is equal to 2 times the radius. So 2 multiplied by 5.2 is 10.4. The diameter is 10.4 units. They didn't give us units here, and whenever you don't have units, you can just say units. Let's look at circumference. It says the circumference of a circle is equal to pi times its diameter, or pi times twice its radius. So pi times diameter gives you the circumference, which is the distance around this circle. It's like walking a lap. If you walked a lap around this, if this was a track and you walked a lap, it's how long you would have walked. So that's the circumference. In the inquiry lab, you learn that circumference divided by diameter is about 3. The exact ratio is represented by the Greek letter pi. The value of pi is 3.1415926. It goes on forever. The decimal never ends, but it is often approximated as 3.14. Another approximation for pi is 22.7. Use this value when the radius or diameter of a multiple of 7 is a multiple of 7 or has multiple of 7 in its numerator if the radius is a fraction. So these are just the different ways to use pi. So for example, if we did 2 times 3.14, we would get 6.28. If we do 2 times 22 over 7, we're going to get 6.2857. And if we do 2 times pi, we get 6.2831. So they're all pretty close. They're all close enough to be used as pi. I like this one. I like using pi itself in the text tool. If you're using a calculator, there's a pi symbol. It looks like this here. You can also use 3.14 for pi or 22 over 7 for pi. But to find the circumference, which is the next thing we're going to be doing, it's very simple, just pi times diameter. Let's look at example 3. It says find the circumference of a circle with a radius of 21 inches. So here we're given a radius, and since the circumference is the diameter times pi, we have to multiply the radius by 2. They used 22 over 7 and got a circumference of 132 about. So if we have a radius, let's just do it. Let's just do this example one more way. So if the radius is 21, then the diameter is equal to 2 times the radius. So 2 times 21 is equal to 42. Then the circumference is equal to pi multiplied by the diameter. So pi multiplied by 42 is equal to 131.9, which is about the same as 132. We could round it up. So this is just to show you that pi times diameter will give you the correct answer. In example 3, it says find the circumference of a circle with a radius of 35 inches. Well, the diameter, let's see, let's start with circumference. So circumference is equal to diameter multiplied by pi. The diameter is equal to 2 times the radius. So if our radius is 35, 35 times 2 is equal to 70. And 70 multiplied by pi is equal to 219.9. I'm going to round that up to 220. So we'll say the circumference of the circle is about 220 inches. Go ahead and try got an E and F and resume this video when you're done. It says find the circumference of each circle, use 22 over 7 for pi. So here we have a circle with a diameter of 70. I know that the circumference is equal to the diameter multiplied by pi, so I'm going to do 70 multiplied by pi, and I get 219. Is that the same thing? So the same thing as example 3. If it has a radius of 35 inches, that's the same as having a diameter of 70 inches. So we can copy our sentence here. The circumference of the circle is about 220 inches. In got an F, we have a radius of 7 over 8. We want to find the circumference, which is the diameter multiplied by pi. The diameter is equal to 2 times the radius. So 2 multiplied by 7 over 8 is equal to 1.75. 1.75 multiplied by pi is equal to 5.5. The circumference of the circle is about 5.5 feet. In example 4, it says, Big Ben is a famous clock tower in London, England. The diameter of the clock face is 23 feet. Find the circumference of the clock face, rounds to the nearest tenth. So they did pi multiplied by the diameter of 23 and got 72.2. So the distance around the clock is about 72.2 feet. In our example 4, It says John is making a circular table that has a top with a diameter of 24 inches. Find the circumference of the table round to the nearest tenth. Well, we know that the circumference is equal to the diameter multiplied by pi, and it gave us the diameter of 24, so all we have to do is 24 multiplied by pi. It does say to round to the nearest tenth, so we'll round 75.39 up to 75.4. Let me copy. Do I still have my sentence copied? I do. So the circumference of the circle is about 75.4 inches. Go ahead and try got it G, and then resume this video when you're done. Got it G says a circular fence is being placed to surround a tree. The diameter of the fence is 4 feet. How much fencing is used? So the circular fence is being placed around a tree. The diameter of the fence is 4 feet. So I know that circumference is equal to diameter multiplied by pi. It gave me a diameter of 4 feet. So 4 multiplied by pi is equal to 12.56. The circumference of the circle is about 12.6 feet.